Hello and welcome to Kayam New Things. My name is Kayam and all of you are watching my YouTube channel Kayam New Things. First thing first, please subscribe Kayam New Things. Guys, today I am going to show all of you the Woodland Sandal for men in brown color. Model number is GD3250119 and the size is 10 UK 44 Euro. Let's unbox it. I had been brought from Amazon.in and the price of the Woodland Sandal is rupees 1786 rupees and the MRP is 2595 rupees. Price is depend upon your foot size. Now it is time to wear the Woodland brown sandal. After a walk, this is the perfectly casual looking sandal for you who are daily walking around roads, pathway or even public places. So these Woodland sandals are perfectly fine and good to go for you. Let's talk about the Woodland Sandal in details. Product details: material type leather, closer type, hook and loop, heel type flat. As you can see, flat sandal. Water resistant, actually no water resistance. About this item, outer material leather, closer type, hook and loop, warranty type, manufacturer and seller. Additional information, manufacturer Aero Club. This woodland sandal weight at 1.30 kg, dimension is 15 into 10 into 5 cm. On the final conclusion, this woodland sandal quite good, durable, lasting about years, and casual. It's looking pretty good sandal, and brown is attractive to me. You can also go for other two colors like Paris khaki and camel. Check it out, this woodland sandal. Links are description box below the video. Friends, please tell me in the comment box below, actually this woodland sandal main is looking good or bad. Finally, this woodland sandal, it's worth it or not. Please tell me in the comment box below. Check it out other videos on the Windows box, shorts videos on the card upper side right corner. So if all of you enjoy this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel Kayam New Things. Friend, lot more content coming soon. Thank you for watching Kayam New Things. Take care, goodbye. I will see you soon in the next video.